Don't watch this video if you're making all the profit you want in your home business. But if your head's about to explode because you're losing patience waiting for the profits to start coming in, this video's for you. And if you're seeking more leads, sales, signups, clients, and cash flow, you're definitely in the right place.
Or maybe you're just considering getting started with your own home business and don't know where to begin. It's a daunting world out there.
I'd say if you're ready to convert your home business from being just a hobby into a profitable machine that will help you and your family have a more comfortable life, it's time to gear up. No more hitting your head against the wall as you wonder what's wrong with you and why everyone else seems to be succeeding.
You're not alone if you're tired of wasting time and money without anything to show for it. It's not your fault. In all likelihood, you're missing one of the critical elements you need to build a profitable business. If no one told you before which critical piece is missing, how could you expect to succeed? Well, it stops here. We're going to explore 5 critical elements you might be missing right after this.
If we're meeting for the first time, my name's Dana and this is my husband David. We co-founded DavidnDana.com to empower the home business solopreneur with effective strategies to build a profitable business without overwhelm. We hope you enjoy our channel and the valuable learning materials we provide. Give us a like and a follow, and don't forget to leave us a comment so we know you stopped by.
Well, let's get on with those critical elements. It all starts with understanding your online marketing funnel. When you picture your entire business as a funnel and consider how it works, you'll discover 5 critical elements you might be missing.
Well, can you explain what a marketing funnel is?
Well, let's see. If you've been a marketer for long, you realize that a profitable business begins by developing people's awareness of you. You can't have a business if people don't know you exist. They need to know you're in business and what you do. The intent is then to continue engaging with them periodically as they continue their journey of discovery and evaluation and eventually making a purchase. Once you've built the relationship to the point of their decision to buy, you focus on providing them even more value in order to generate repeat sales and retain those customers. Well, you then have raging fans who will be customers over the long haul. So it helps to visualize your business as a funnel like this. At the top of the funnel, you bring in traffic, by which we mean visitors, people checking out the content you share, and ultimately what you have to offer. Of course, not all people taking a look are prospective buyers of your product. That's a common misperception when getting started, which leads to wondering why nobody seems interested. So it's important not just to get traffic, but to narrow that down to a target audience consisting of those people most likely to be interested in your product, service, or business opportunity.
Well, next, from that targeted audience, you want to develop leads. That term, leads, refers to people who give you their contact information. Once you generate a lead, you can contact them periodically, get to know each other, and develop a relationship. From those leads, you find out who are qualified. That is, who's the most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Then your sales and signups will follow.
Well, let's look at the 5 stages of an internet marketing sales funnel and why they are critical in building a profitable business online. Funnel stage 1 is getting traffic. Now, there are various ways that we develop traffic. Ultimately, we want to bring people to our website. Our website is our personal home on the internet, a place where people can get to know us, learn from us, and see what we have to offer. This could be a blog, or a hub page, a sales page, or even your YouTube channel. It's the starting place as you begin to brand yourself. Not your product, not your company, but yourself. For example, to draw people to a blog, you must consistently create content that addresses your audience's challenges, pains, and problems. You position yourself as a solution provider.
And before people even get to your website, however, you might start by developing an audience on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or a variety of other social platforms. Our primary interest on these social media platforms is to pique curiosity, give out small doses of value, and then direct people to our website for more information. We are generating traffic. Social media, along with paid ads, search engine optimization, and partnerships are the 4 primary traffic sources. Now, you don't need to use every type of traffic source, but you do need to master at least one. If this is all new to you, keep listening for more tips and tools.
Funnel stage 2 is to develop a targeted audience. Now, there's a common cliche in marketing. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. So you want to focus on those people most likely to be open to your product or business opportunity. To narrow down that target audience, it's important for you to think clearly and carefully about a series of questions. First, who am I to the marketplace? Who am I here to serve? How do I want to position myself? How will I be viewed by my potential customers? This is a critical thing to be clear on.
Second, start thinking about who your ideal customer or avatar would be and develop a clear picture of who you are marketing to. Ask yourself, how old are they? Are they male or female, single or married? Do they have children, own a home? What kind of education do they have? What kind of work do they do? What are their dreams and desires? What are their problems and challenges? The more detailed and clear a picture you can develop, the better.
Third, think through what solutions or benefits you can provide for this target market with your product or service. How can you solve their challenges and help them realize their dreams? Marketing is all a matter of matching your message to your market and then clarifying not just why they should buy, but why they should buy from you. The better you know your target market, the better you can craft your message to speak directly to your best prospects' needs. Instead of pitching your product or service, you're adding value to their lives and building trust. Now, if you aren't clear on any of these sets of questions, you might want to consider hiring a coach. Personally, we've had success with a coaching program offered by our affiliate marketing system. We've worked with private coaches, we've been certified as coaches ourselves, and we take great delight in helping others to succeed. To learn more about finding the right coach for you, check out this video.
Funnel stage number 3 is generating leads. Now it's time to generate leads and build your email list. Frankly, the number one asset of any business owner in any industry is their list of customers and prospects. So out of our target market, we want to attract people to come forward and offer us their contact information in return for something.
Now you might be asking, what can I offer? That's what we call a lead magnet or a giveaway. A lead magnet is simply something of value to your prospects that you can give in exchange for their contact information. Your lead magnet might be a product sample, a cheat sheet, a checklist, a training video, and so on. Use your imagination and ask, what would I want if I had this challenge or need? Make it irresistible, something they can't live without. For more help with lead magnets, see this video.
And once you have a lead magnet, and we can show you a great framework for making the best lead magnet ever, you need a way to promote it and capture the contact information. You need a capture page. A capture page is a simple web page set up for one purpose, to make an irresistible offer and capture their contact information. In summary, you need 2 tools for this funnel stage, a lead magnet and a capture page, in order to get the contact information of the people in your target market. Ideally, you'll be able to create your own offers and your own capture pages at will once you are truly dialed in to knowing your audience. Remember stage 2.
Now, if these terms are new to you and you don't have the tools you need yet to make these things happen, hold tight. and we'll be happy to show you what we've been having success with.
Well, on to stage number 4, which is engaging with your leads. Once you've offered a lead magnet and received someone's contact information, you have a lead. Congratulations, your list is growing. This is not a once and done transaction. You have their contact information. Now you need to stay in touch with them.
One of the best ways to be in touch with them is to send emails over a period of time. Check out our video on nurturing your email list for ideas on what to say and how to follow up for best results. To email once and send to many, you'll need an autoresponder to send out mass emails and to comply with federal regulations regarding mass emails. This will save you tremendous time from trying to send separate emails to each lead.
And each email you send is an additional touch and deepens your relationships as long as you continue to provide something that they regard to be of value. The goal is to keep them opening your emails so they get to know and trust you. When they see you as offering a solution to their problem, they recognize you as someone of value. Bonus tip, never forget that lead is a person, a real person.
And finally, funnel stage 5, actually making the sale. While some people may buy from your emails, even better than emails is to call your leads and speak with them directly. That's right, you've probably heard the fortune is in the follow-up. Calling your prospects and leads is essential. There's so much that's lost in nonverbal interactions, tone of voice, body language, sincerity. You'll want to spend your call time then with those who are your best prospects, and don't forget to ask for the sale. Ultimately, people buy from people, and when they can hear your voice, you become even more real to them.
So are you missing one of these stages? We hope that you're getting good value so far. So how do you keep it all organized? You can see the importance of your online marketing funnel for building a business. But as you're collecting a lot of information, you may be wondering, well, how do I keep everything straight? The best way to manage your online marketing funnel is to use a CRM. That's a customer relations manager. This is a powerful tool to keep track of your leads and your notes. I'd be totally lost without mine. Well, you can also use your customer relationship manager to check and see what other offers they have signed up for, keep notes on what they've said to you, schedule tasks, follow up appointments, attach tags, send out emails, see the history of your interactions, rate their interest, and so much more. Just think if Bob calls you back in 6 months after your first conversation and you're able to say, well, when we last talked, Bob, your daughter had just broken her leg. How's she doing? Well, that goes a long way to building a relationship, and marketing is about relationships. People buy from who they know, like, and trust.
If an online marketing funnel is your primary avenue to get your business on the pathway to profit, the items above are no longer something simply nice to have and be on your wish list. They're must-haves. We've laid it out for you from top to bottom of the funnel. You need traffic, a targeted audience, leads, prospects, and sales. In order to move people through this funnel, you also need certain tools, such as a lead magnet, a capture page, an autoresponder, and a customer relations manager. Of course, we'd be glad to help you with any of these. Just follow the link below to set an appointment. You now know the critical elements you need to operate a profitable online business. But where do you find them? Without them, online businesses are destined to fail from the beginning.
As online business coaches, we have all the critical elements in place and can show you exactly how to assemble what you need.
Your Pathway to Profit is our signature solution for empowering solopreneurs like you to break through to positive cash flow and liberating profit. The focus of step 6 of your Pathway to Profit is to turn you into a badass guru by using your own funnel to speak to your audience. We teach you how to set up a funnel that will warm up your leads into prospects and from prospects to paying customers.
And if you've not had your Pathway to Profit assessment yet, schedule your complimentary call today. You will then know exactly where you and your business are in terms of the 12 steps of your Pathway to Profit. You might be surprised at the steps of success you've left out. If you leave out earlier steps and strategies, you will not reach your profit potential.
So schedule your free assessment and discover your own Pathway to Profit. You can also learn what tools we use and bundle together for best results. Don't reinvent the wheel or spend thousands of dollars unnecessarily. More important, consider what you have to gain. A whole new life, working from home as CEO of your own business.
Well, until next time, be well and be blessed.